Let me take this opportunity to condole with the families who have lost loved ones during a season when we all should be celebrating the resurrection of Jesus Christ. We have deep grief and sorrow as the people of Migori County. We have lost 8 people, 7 adults and 1 child. We have lost property worth millions of shillings. We have also had many people who have been injured and are currently hospitalized. This is nearly too much for us to bear. It's very sad because of this kind of loss. As the government, we want to pray for these families. We also want to pray for the souls of those who have departed and for the quick recovery of those who are undergoing treatment. On our part, we will continue supporting those who are recovering by way of offering treatment and also trying to meet some of the medical charges that they have. I think we'll work out what it costs and see how to intervene. We will also meet the mortuary and modest funeral expenses for those we have lost. We know that poverty, the cost of living, and other challenges are afflicting our people. And these sudden losses that may not have been anticipated is rubbing salt or insult to injury that our people are already suffering from vagaries of poverty. So as a government, we will mitigate by supporting them and by supporting this family. We are still in a state of shock. We, through the Department of Health and the Department of Environment and Disaster Management, will form a team that will help to talk to these families and will also help to meet the expenses that these families did not think of. If there is any information or any query that members of the family seek to have answered, they will refer to the Department of Health and the Department of Environment. I believe the CECM perhaps